Well, good morning. I hope everybody's doing well. Today, I've got to change out a tractor implement, and I would like to try to go down and start getting some wood. I'm getting low. Let's go in the shop. It's cold this morning. I'm down to 2 totes of wood, which ain't going to get me through the winter. I've got this tote right here, which is, I don't know, 2/3 full, and then I have one other tote that's about the same. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the box blade and reattach the backhoe implement. I may take the bucket off and put the set of pallet forks on. I don't need the backhoe per se for doing wood, but it sometimes it makes it nice be able to pick up a log and move it. But I don't have, which I'd like to get someday, I don't have a hydraulic thumb on the backhoe. I have a mechanical thumb that mounts directly to the stick, and I can move it around wherever I would like it to be. It's kind of a pain when you're grabbing something, you have to move it. But anyhow, let's get started. Well, we're here in the shop now. Unfortunately, to hook up that backhoe, the hardest thing is you got to take all the 3-point off. I wish TYM bad boy, well, TYM made that a little more where that would attach to that without taking everything off. You got to take both lift arms off, and I forget what they call it. Anyhow, yeah, so I'm going to take that off real quick and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, that's all attached. It took about 10 minutes. I've done it not a lot, but I've done it a dozen times. It's not hard. Well, when it's cold, holy smolies. Them little clips, they'll snap you. Woo! That didn't feel good. But anyhow, so yeah, I don't know if you can see in there. Holy smokes, I need a light. But anyhow, 2 little hooks go down there. You got 2 hydraulic lines. You got your arm. And then down underneath up here in front, you can see the frame that you saw on the floor earlier. I don't know that you can see that, but it goes all the way back. And there's 2 hooks right here. So anyhow, the front obviously isn't that hard. It's a quick connect. Flip 2 levers, back out from underneath the implement, or the bucket in this case, and then you just re-hook onto here and lift up and flip those 2 levers down. So I'm gonna have some coffee. Holy smokes. It's see, I'm dressed for outside, and it is, I don't have a fire going. It is 42 degrees and I'm burning up. So give me a couple minutes and we'll head out back. Alright guys, let's split a little bit of wood here. I gave that bed a little bit of an oil bath. So I'm gonna take that pile over there and put it in the tote. I may go get the pallet forks. That's one thing nice about, well, I might show you that. Take the bucket off. I've got all my gas and bar oil and all that right here. I may leave that down here, but I'll go swap that out so I can grab that tote and bring it around over here so I can load that wood up. Good morning. How you doing, Callie? You gonna say hi to everybody? Huh? You gonna say hi to everybody? Come here. Give everybody a... Oh, there you go. All right. Pretty simple process. We'll get you off the dashboard here. So, in order to unhook the bucket, you just literally pull these two levers. I'm going to try to film this disconnection. I don't know that I can, but I'm going to try. Tilt it out, and then when I back up, I'll come right out of there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of parked right there. And we're hooked. Well, guys, I'm done playing with firewood. I'm heading back up to the shop, and you guys have a good afternoon. Sorry about the editing. First time I've ever edited, and we'll see you on the next one.